Hello, Habibi here. In this video, I'm going to make a tutorial about how to make an object moving when we are close to this object. So let's jump to the tutorial. I'm going to create a cube and I set the position to 0 coordinate. This is my object that is going to move when we are close to this object, and now we are going to make a script to make it moving. I will call it I'm moving. I edit the script. I will make a variable for the speed of movement. Speed, let's say the speed is 2, and here in update function we are going to move it, transform, translate 0. On the x direction will be 0 and y direction 0, and z axis will be m speed multiplied by time time. So it will move the object only on z axis with this speed. I attach this script to the cube, and if I play the game, it is moving on z axis that way. Well, this object is constantly moving on z axis that way, but I'm going to make it move. I'm going to make it move only when I am close to this object. So to do that, we need to make a condition here. Here I'm going to make a variable saying that what is the condition. So I'm going to make a boolean variable. I will call it can I move, and initially the value of can I move, I will set the value to false, so it will not move. Oops. Here we check the condition. If can I move is true, then move this object. If not, don't move. So basically it will not move at the first time. You see, the object is not moving. Then we need to do something to make the condition true. Right now it is false because nothing happened, and we will make something to make it true, then it will move. When I'm going to make a player object, this capsule is a player. Let's say the player is here, and I will set the tag to player, and here For the cube, I will make a sensor. The sensor is just another object, let's say another cube, as its child, and I'm going to scale it up this big and scale it this way. I will not need the mesh renderer. I need the box collider and use it as trigger. Then we go back to the script, and at the bottom we add this private void on trigger enter. Collider, this capsule has the tag player, so here we are going to detect do we detect a player object, is it inside this trigger area or not. If it is in this trigger area, that I will move. If not, I will not move. That is what I'm going to do. So here we are going to check the condition. If call dot game object dot tag equals to player, remember the tag of this capsule is player. So here we check, is it player or not? If it is player, then can I move will be true. Then for the opposite, then in the other hand, we are going to check this one, private void on trigger exit. We do the same thing as on trigger enter, but this one we set it to false. We can test it. You see it is not moving. This cube is not moving by now. But if I move this player here inside this trigger area, green area, it will move. So let's try to position it here. Okay, I forgot something. Because we are using trigger system for this object, we need a rigid body for this object. So we need rigid body, and let's say we are not using gravity. I will uncheck this gravity check mark, and we can try again. You can see if I'm here, it is moving. If I'm here, it's not moving. It moves, doesn't move. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you and bye bye.